All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I got a specialty truck, 16 GMC SLE, and it is straight from ALC Ducks Unlimited. If you're my country boys, you guys know what this truck's all about, old Ducks Unlimited. Anyway, truck's currently rocking a set of fuel wheels. It is lifted on an FTS kit, upgraded RC, upper control arms. The tires are absolutely brand new. Again, this truck was built from the factory after it was produced from GMC, or from Chevrolet, GMC. Which one is this? Yeah, GMC. Anyway, when it comes off the assembly line, it gets shipped to the dealership. Then ALC takes these trucks, does the conversions, does all the upgrades. You guys will be able to see some of that stuff, like the badging, the interior, those custom leather. All of that stuff was done by ALC. There is a limited amount of production that were done on the Ducks Unlimited trucks, so it is a little bit more rare, unique truck. You guys won't find these every day, no question. It has 147,000 miles. It's got the ultra nasty rain guards. I mean, dude, you guys know the deal on the rain guards. 10 miles an hour faster, 10 more miles per gallon, $900 installed. No big deal. And I'm totally joking again. Anyway, rust-free truck, as you guys would always expect. Surface, it has maybe a couple spots of surface. This is just dirt. Again, tires are brand new. We have 2 center caps inside, so we will be pushing some brand new center caps on this truck. Custom leather interior, like I said, this was a 2-tone option. We have new switches coming from the driver's side. This is a new panel. American luxury coach. So like I said, that truck was built. The upgrade for this, probably factory window sticker upgrade. When this truck was new, I bet you the ALC upgrade was probably in the $15,000 to $20,000 neighborhood for the factory option truck from ALC. So take that into consideration when you're looking at buying this truck. It is not a stock GMC. Obviously, you guys can see all the upgrades, but it was lifted on an FTS kit, which is crazy. Front bumper's got a little dent right there. Overall condition is still in good shape. A couple, small things here and there, some rock chips, some light scratches. A good polish job would really do this truck justice. You can see how glossy it is. Black's extremely hard to keep clean in the lifted truck world, just in general. Some more rock chips down the side doors. A couple rock chips right there. We will go through and touch up some of these rock chips. 3 or 4 more down there. So by the time you guys come in to purchase it, or we're going to ship it to your house, I can easily retake a video, retake more pictures, so you guys can see that those have been touched up. Other than that, no crazy major body damage. It is a it is a 16 with 140, on the clock, so it's been driven on the road. So you can expect some wear, obviously, from a truck being driven on the road that long. Undercarriage, gave you guys a shot of that real quick. Jet black. Pretty much near perfect undercarriage wise. Give you guys a shot of the interior real quick. Aftermarket step rails were installed, I'm sure, by ALC. It is a dual power seat truck. It also has factory heated seats. The duck truck's also got, you can see the extra gauge display options with like their custom logo and shit. American luxury coach, factory navigation truck, like I said, factory heated seat truck. So it still did come with a ton of good factory options. And then ALC got a hold of it and did their thing. Overall, back seats are in really good shape. No rips or tears in the back. You got some normal, typical wear on the driver's seat. If I skip past that, you got some rub marks right here. A little bit of rubbing right there. Pretty common on this size of a truck. Anyway, overall, definitely a cool truck. You don't see these very often. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys drop a comment. I'll be more than happy to respond. You can also call us direct, 843-697-7501. If you guys made it to the end of this video, this truck, I believe, is going to be priced around 23 grand. So it's still an excellent deal for how much truck you get, especially with all the upgrades that was done to it factory. In the description, it'll give you a full list of everything that's been done to the truck as well. Every truck we sell and offer for sale, they have to be clean title, 0 rust. So the history on them is going to be good, accurate mileage. Only expect the best right here, Deluxe Motorsports, Latson, South Carolina. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. Till next time, next video. It's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports.